Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? Today I'm going to bring you the unboxing of the Xiaomi CC9 Pro, also known as the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. It depends on where you buy it. This current one, it was shipped to me to the UK from I think Hong Kong. I'm not exactly sure. My dad ordered this for me. But right now I have opened the box, but then I closed everything up for this video. So let's dive right in. So there's the phone. I'm going to set this aside for right now, so we can move on to the contents. It has the 108 megapixel camera and everything. Amazing phone. This is the cover, I believe. We'll just take a look in here. So there you go, SIM ejector tool. Then in here you have your start guide and your clear cover, which is which is nice. I normally don't keep covers on my phone, like aftermarket covers, except on my SM Plus. I have the silicone one, the soft touch one from Samsung. Right then, this is the 30-watt charger, which charges this phone up to 100% just in 65 minutes, which is absolutely bonkers. My SM Plus has a 15-watt charger and it charges up to 100%. I think it's a 15-watt. I'm not exactly sure about all these specs, and it charges up to 100% in like an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and 45 minutes. So that's the charger. Obviously, because this is from Hong Kong, it has this style of pin, so they sent me this as well. So this would simply just go in like this, or actually like this, and then you get the point. Right then, this is the cable. It's a fairly long cable. Yeah, it's a fairly long cable, but we'll put that aside. That's it. Nothing else in the box. This is all just Chinese, I think, and I can't read any of it. So right then, time to get to the phone. I'll just close all this up. Whatever you see here, these are the tripod stools. Right, so this is the phone, the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. Let's just take a closer look at the camera. This is 5 times optical zoom, 108 megapixels. This one is the glacier white option. So now let's take off this. I know you guys like that. So now this is going to get filled with fingerprints. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this case on it. This is a clear case. It's actually nice silicone. First I'm going to take this off. Right, that's now that that's off, I'm going to put the case on it. Right, I have never owned a Xiaomi device, but I've owned tons of Samsungs, tons of Apple devices, Apple iPhones. This is my first Xiaomi device. It's good to see the headphone jack over here. That's been lacking on a few devices. All my devices that I have right now have a headphone jack, except the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So let's boot this up. After I set this all up, then I'll get back to you. But wow. Up here, so when I had the Samsung Galaxy S5, I used to have this. It's an IR blaster, and if this phone focuses, which I manual focus, there we go. It had an IR blaster, and that was amazing. So this is the IR blaster right here, and you can control your home appliances with it, and it's absolutely amazing. Right then, I'm going to switch this off for right now. I'm going to put my SIM in it and everything. I'm going to settle up everything in it. Why is this one all blurry? And then I'll be back with you. So guys, it's been some time that I've had this Xiaomi Mi Note 10 or the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro Platinum Edition. It depends on where you buy it, but the name is the same, just varies per region. So how much time has it been? 5 hours? About to be 5 hours about the phone. I haven't set it up that much as I haven't gotten that much time yet, but I am in the stage of setting it up. So this is the always on display, the fingerprint scanner. I have to say, the fingerprint scanner works amazingly. Like, amazingly. This is my background right now. It's at 37%. I had to charge it up with this, and it charged extremely quickly. It did like it did I think it charged up 35% in around 25 minutes, which is absolutely amazing. So about the fingerprint, it's amazing, it's really quick. Right now I'm going to just literally put my finger over here and it's immediately going to unlock. It's not as fast as another phone over here. I'll get my A50. Um, so over here, if I tap this, if I lock this right now, it's linked with my watch, that's why it's unlocked. There we go. It's a bit, it's like about the same in speed, not much difference. Apart from that, the phone is really nice. I really like it. I've been setting up everything, so yeah, yeah, I haven't gotten that much time to set up everything, but it's going on. I haven't put on all my apps. Obviously, this is my tertiary phone, mainly used because of the camera. It has an amazing camera. I have to say, the camera on this phone is absolutely amazing. Like, it's so clear, it's so sharp. The 108 megapixel, that just absolutely wows me. Like, oh my god, I'm not sure. Obviously, it's a Samsung sensor. So obviously, no doubt about the camera over there. It has two flashlights, in total four, five cameras, ultra wide, macro, and I'm not sure about these. One is 108 megapixel. One is I'm literally, oh my god. But I mean, this case is really nice. This is basically your SIM card tray. It's a dual SIM phone. Obviously, I have my UK SIMs in there. This is my IR blaster. This is the sorry, what is it called? Sorry, yeah, the micro SD, micro. Why am I saying micro SD card? Microphone. This is the side of the phone. This is completely blank, but on the cover it says over here. If I tilt this the other way, um, designed by Xiaomi. If my SM Plus focuses, designed by Xiaomi. That's pretty nice. Apart from that, the covers material is really nice. This you can have uh, another look at the camera. There we go. That's very good. That's how you get to see the camera. But yeah, I am so far enjoying this phone. Or really like really enjoying this phone. It's amazing. So I'm obviously going to publish my upcoming review of my 1 year experience with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That will be filmed on this phone. So look for that. It should be up in a few months. But yeah, I mean, I think it's I'm about to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all later.